take an exam. Let's do a Q&A while I do an exam. What's better, this one or this? Oh, this is fine. We don't need too much light. All right. I'm actually going to try all GPTs. I mainly use Copilot for my exams. That just means I'm online. But I want to try Manus, Chatbot, and Claude. We're going to see which one performs better. I got 2 tries, so I don't even know I'm tripping, but yeah, the X hat, wearing the X hat. Yeah, I'm not tripping because I could do it again, but I just, I'm curious which one's better for homework. In case Copilot's ever done. Don't ever go off one GPT, you guys. I know a lot of you are into Chat GPT, but I don't even like the sound of it, but you should try other ones too in case that one ever goes down. Personally, I think X, you should buy OpenAI and take over ChatGPT and just combine it with Grok. All right. Without further ado, let's start. All right. Quiz assignments, quizzes, Medicare quiz. Again, I'm not trying to work in this, so that's why I'm taking the class. It was free, and I just want to put that on my resume. Hey, I have billing and coding, just in case jobs ever pop up. Because you could be a biller anywhere. I don't want to do it for healthcare. I want to do it for, any other kind of company, finance, things like that. It's finance related. Might as well learn it. It's always good to exercise the brain a little. What? Now it's not loading? Really? You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. I did this for nothing. There you go. Okay. I'm going to try each and every one of them. True or false? Medicare doesn't cover routine foot care. Send to Copilot. All right, the answer is true. Okay. Now let me see if it does the same thing on Copilot over here. Oops. Wait, what happened? Okay, so if I go here, this stays up. All right. Part D covers prescription drugs you pick up at the pharmacy. For this one, let's try Manus. Manos, whatever. It's already slow. The statement is true. Medicare Part D is the optional prescription drug coverage provided by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. It is specifically designed to help cover the costs. D for drugs. Okay, yeah, I know this. All right. Okay. So now Part C covers some prescriptions. Okay, I think that's false. I'm gonna try chatbot. Which doesn't fucking work. I'm exiting. Yep, chatbot is gay. It's whack. All right. Doesn't even let me use it. Let's try Claude. Let's be more specific. Yep, I was right. False. Okay, I like how Claude worked. It's nice, nice. All right, all right. Medicare Part D will cover diabetic supplies. See, at least on this YouTube Live, your IQ points are going up because we're doing an exam together. So I'm giving you guys questions and answers so you guys can learn something from it. They learn something new every day, especially on YouTube. All right. Part D will cover diabetic supplies. I think it will, but it's mostly for drugs. So it might not, but sometimes there's supplies that could help with that. All right, let's try Grok. All right, trying Grok out from XAI. Oh, the answer is true. Ah, because of insulin, right? As a supply. All right. Part D covers all inpatient hospital drugs. All right, good question. What other GPTs are there? Oh, Gemini and Google AI. I'll use the plus version. All right, let's see. The correct answer is false. Yep, it's only outpatient. I knew it. All right. Under Medicare Part B coverage, patients pay out of pocket by what factor? If they're disabled or handicapped, if they pay taxes, how much they made for the tax year, if they have cancer. All right, gonna use Google AI now. I'm gonna help it a little. I'm gonna make it specific. Okay. Try and Google AI, okay? Remember, it's not the same as Gemini. Look at that, doesn't fucking work. Whatever. It sucks. All right, now gonna stick to the regular Copilot. Again, let me help you out. Let me see. Under Medicare Part B coverage, patients pay out of pocket by what factor? The answer is C, how much they made for the tax year. I don't know why that would be the answer. Oh, that's right, because they look at their taxes when they apply for Medi-Cal and all that. Okay. All right. What does Medicare Part A cover? Outpatient stays such as medical physicians. Only hospital inpatient surgeries or inpatient hospital stays, including hospices and SNFs, skilled nursing facilities. Prescription drug coverage. Okay. It's obviously not D. C. Inpatient hospitals, including hospice and SNF. All right. You're right, because I keep biting my lips and eating it. The pieces that come off. Medicare is a state health insurance program for 65 people 65 and older. That's a trick one because I think they could have it in the earlier age. Oh, I mean, yeah. Any of us false because I think others can have it too. Oh, that's right. End stage renal disease. Remember, if you're under 65, you can still have it. You just have to be like dying. What does Medicare Part C cover? Dental, vision, office visit, home health, housekeeping, inpatient stays. I like it on Copilot, it's better. Dental, vision, office visits. What does Medicare not cover? I think it's massage therapy. Wait, this is gonna be a hard one. Wants me to click all of them? Well, it says Medicare, so it doesn't say which one. I'll leave it open. What else does Medicare Part B cover? Hemodialysis, X-rays, and lab tests. Cancer therapy. Medicare Part C refers to the Medicare Advantage program. True. Patients have the option to enroll in just Part C. Man, these are hard questions, man. Good thing we have this. False. Yeah, you can't. You gotta, you gotta be an A and B also. What else does Part C cover? Prescriptions. Wait, really? Oh, Medicare Advantage. Let me see. To qualify for Medicare Part A, patients must have work to put into it from government taxes. I think, yeah. Go with an important exam. All right, this is true. I'm gonna go with true. Patients must be enrolled in Part A and Part B to qualify for Part C. I think so. No, no, no. I think it's A, B, and D. I'm gonna go with false. Oh, it's true? What? Okay. All right, I was wrong. Part D will cover cough syrup OTC. I knew it. False. Initially, in 1965, Medicare composed of what two parts? A and B. What does Part B cover? I'm really tired. Correct answer. Preventative services and outpatient services. These are the classic Medicare B benefits. You guys are boring me, man. Wait, keep me awake. Last one. Majority of patients who qualify for Part A do not have to pay the premiums for this. True. There you go. Auto grading. What? Ah, didn't get them all right. Look. All right. So look, true, true. Correct answer is true. Also covers some prescriptions. Yeah. First part C cover. Dental vision, housekeeping. What? Ugh. All right, guys. Gotta take pictures of this. Sorry.